So welcome all of you for this how to clear Microsoft Office Specialist exam in a single attempt. So when you see the topic itself, you might be understanding that it's actually very easy to get certified in just single attempt because the questions what has been asked in the exams, it is very simple and easy as well, especially for my students who have already taken the classes from me, that is Excel and Advanced Excel and VBA macros. This will be really like a cakewalk because all the questions which I've seen, they are very much um, in the syllabus what we have already got trained. Okay, fine. So first, let's understand few things about these Microsoft Office specialists. So for that, what we'll do is I have prepared few simple slides which will make you understand about these MOS. Right. So before that, I'll just run through our introduction. So people who are very much new, who doesn't know us, we are actually professionals with 15 plus years of experience who have started this institute, and we actually train on analytics and reportings. And this PPT will be shared with you so that you can just go through all this. So I don't want to waste much time in doing all my introduction here. You can just go through this. So these are the courses what we actually conduct. And now ITAS is Microsoft Office Specialist Authorized Testing Center. So this is one big thing actually, because of which I can actually give you a lot of, say, you guys will get a lot of advantage of enrolling from our institute. That I'll be telling you in the end. And a lot of benefits also are available because now we are Authorized Testing Center. Fine. About the trainer, I think most of you know, but just a quick introduction. So I am Adi Puttaswamy, who have more than 15 years of experience, and I have skills, and the technology and skills what I know is mentioned here. So I have a wide range of analytics and reporting skill sets, wherein I work with companies like SG Software, Farmark Analytics, Mu Sigma, and IMS Healthcare, which is now IQVIA. Right. So these are all the client list and the scores what we have. So please go through this, but straight away I'll come to this webinar topics. So what we are going to discuss in the entire webinar that I have listed down here. More than this, there are so many other topics as well. The main topics are, we'll understand what is a certificate and what is certification. Then I'll also talk about what is digital badge. Then we'll understand about MOS certificate and certification, why actually we should do this MOS certification, then value of this and power of MOS certification, then what will be the job opportunities for people who have certified with MOS, and the samples, and also the list of Microsoft Office specialist certifications also I'll be showing you. Right. First, let's understand what is this certificate. This is very much important because most of the people, when we became authorized testing center and I announced this, many of them were asking the what is certificate and why we should actually take this. So first of all, certificate means it is actually a document which actually tells that the person has completed a course. So in our case, it will be something like a course or a package. It is a document which serves as evidence, that is, it proves that you have completed a course or a package, so that it will be like a documented proof which you can show it to the company or to your manager or someone, where it will be proved that yes, you have completed a course with complete test or exams. All right. Then what is a certification? See, when it's a certificate, it's a document actually. Certification is nothing but it's a credential that we earn to show that we have some specific skills or knowledge. Usually the certifications, there are different kind of certifications what we actually do depending on the professional what we are, then technology or the industry what we work. Certifications are usually offered by some institutes, some recognized institutes. Let's say, for example, we are actually doing this Microsoft Office specialist, then Microsoft will be actually recognizing us by some exams or conducting some, some exam with some specified marks or something. So usually certifications are offered by professional organization like Microsoft, what we're actually seeing, or a company who are actually registered like ITAS, where we certify you saying that you are specialized with some technologies or skill sets. Right. Next is there's a lot of confusion about this digital badge. Nowadays, you can see there are so many digital badges what you'll be getting. This digital badge is actually an image, but it's not just an image. So here we'll have a lot of information that we call it as metadata. Metadata is nothing but a lot of information. So this digital badge will have a link. So this link, when we click, it'll direct me to the authorized organization or the center or institute wherein your credentials or say your details will be mentioned, so that the interviewer or a company who is actually hiring you, they can easily know that yes, this person has really completed the certificate. Because when you take a document or a certificate, what will happen is people can fake it, or say people can just take a printer and go and say that this is my certificate, I've completed some course. But digital badges are something which is coming directly from the organization, wherein it will be completely secured and your information will be available there. When you click on that digital badge, the interviewer or any of them want to verify, they can easily verify by using this digital badge link. So that's why now most of the certifications, we are getting this digital badge. This one digital badge is enough to prove that yes, we have taken this course, we have taken the exams, and we are certified. Right. Next is about Microsoft Office certificates. I mentioned certificate is nothing but it's a document. Certification is the exams what we actually take and get certified. So here we have this MOS certificate. MOS certificate, or say Microsoft Office Specialist Program, provides industry leading assessments of skills and knowledge through new project based testing, giving students and professionals real world exercises to appraise their understanding of MS Office. That means there are a lot of questions which will actually test a candidate about how much he has understood the MS Office applications. There are various applications in MS Office that I'll discuss about the exam and exam numbers. To test that, this Microsoft is conducting some certification exams. This certificate is nothing but the document which is given by the Microsoft. The certificate guarantees that every certified user has demonstrated the ability to command the full features and functionality of Microsoft Office, preparing them for future academic or workforce opportunities. That means this certificate actually guarantees, because Microsoft will not just like that give the certificate, they verify a lot of things, that is by giving the exams. And this document, whatever is there, this document is coming from Microsoft and it is completely authorized, and this can be used for future academic. That is, some students who want to go for the next level, they can also use these certificates, or people who are looking for jobs, they can actually use this MOS certificates for better opportunities as well. Then what is certification? Certification, again, I told you, is nothing but it is something, the globally recognized program that will help to validate the technical expertise in popular business productivity applications within Microsoft Office suite. That means it is a program or exam which we take from MS or MS Office suite, or say MS Office application, which will help us in getting certified. It's nothing but it's an exam. That's all. That is from Microsoft. So Microsoft Office specialists get indulged into full features of functionalities of MS Office, resulting in increased job, candidate marketability, improved academic performance, and enhanced confidence and productivity in the workspace. So what happens is when we actually get certified by MOS, that means we are aware of lot many things in the application what we have taken the exams. This will help us in getting the job. Say the chances are more for MOS certified people. I'll show you the statistics as well. How much of how much percentage people have got job for who have certified from MOS. And again, Sometimes what will happen, if you are actually certified, there are chances of getting promoted as well. So lot many opportunities and say benefits are there in getting certifications, right? Why should we actually do this? There are a lot many benefits I just mentioned. So MOS certificate validates to the prospective employer your technical skills using Microsoft Office software applications. That is, these applications, since they are validated by Microsoft, so it is proved that we know a lot many things in the applications what we've taken the exams. This will enhance our skills, which will next take us to the better opportunities or to the better positions in the company itself. And I mentioned digital badge is really making a big name, because that digital badge we can put it in our profile, and we can also give the link wherein the people who actually take the interviews, or when we actually submit the resume, they can easily go and check that. We don't have to go and send all the links. We can just put that digital badge in the profile, which will actually direct to the link where all the details of the examinations what you have taken and the marks what you have gained, so everything will be available. So this will prove that we are actually certified. So this digital badge, we can actually place it in our profile as well. You will gain confidence in your skills when interviewing and being able to handle project tasks efficiently and quickly. So if you have this digital badge, no one can actually fake. So it is like proved, because Microsoft actually will evaluate and then submit the certificate, and it will give you the digital badge. So it's not so easy to fake, these Microsoft certifications and all, because everything will be there in the server. So you will have more confidence that, because if you want to get these kind of certifications, you will actually learn a lot of things. You'll actually get prepared with a lot of things. While preparing itself, you'll be learning a lot many other things, which will help you in improving the skill sets of the applications, right? Value of MOS in the market. So Microsoft certification gives students and workforce candidates the power to chart their own course, fulfill their ambition, and realize their potential. So this actually makes a person more strong, because while preparing for the exam, there are a lot many things what you'll be learning. I mentioned in the previous slide that when you're actually preparing for the certifications, without your knowledge, you'll be keep reading so many things, and you'll be preparing for the exam, as well as you'll be learning a lot of professional the skills as well, which will also help you in working on the projects or the assignments in the company itself, right? Now just observe the power of Microsoft specialist certifications. This is very important, and this is the slide where many of them actually were asking me about why this MOS is required, and is it really required? See, the power of Microsoft Office specialist certifications are, you are recognized globally. As I mentioned, the digital badge itself is enough for you to recognize, and wherever you give your profile, they can easily go and check that your details, which will make the interviewer easier to understand you and know you as well. Increasing the earning potential. That is, if you're within the organization, if you want to move to the next level, that is like promoted or something, so the more the skills, the more the position you can actually jump. And again, this will prove that you are actually certified, and it will prove that you are actually having more skills than others, because it is completely documented. Add credibility and qualifications to your profile. Anyways, we have discussed this in the previous point. Stand out in the job market. Because we are certified, it's that we have more skills than others. It's not that always we have more skills if you just do the certification, but it is a proved thing that we have more skill sets. It also builds self-confidence, because we have taken the exam, we have learned lot many things, and this will help us in gain more confidence to work on any kind of projects in the applications what we have taken the exams. Enhance your professional image, more opportunities to potential job opportunities. Say we will have a lot of opportunities here, because as I mentioned, this will be recognized easily by any companies anywhere, right? The job opportunities, I told you I will be talking about the statistics. This is actually one of the internet pages. one of the famous internet pages what they have mentioned this actually. So I was just doing some R&D on to check to what extent if my students or anyone in general, if they take this MOS certifications, how much of percentage increase the job opportunity. So I was just searching and I got one very good slide actually. So here it says, according to the latest research conducted by Microsoft, upon earning a MOS certification, 23% of Microsoft certified technologists are reportedly receiving up to 20% salary increase. And this is not what I'm saying actually. This is from the the famous websites actually. 23% of Microsoft certified technologists. That means people who are certified, they are getting 20% salary increase. There might be more also. This is like an average what they have mentioned. To be very frank, people who are into this Excel and PowerPoint, they are more likely to get salary hikes because um, when I say Excel, it is completely about the reportings, analyzing, and dashboards and things like that. But when it comes to PPT, it is about presentations. Like managers who are in a higher level, senior managers, they don't work much on the Excel, but they'll be working more on the presentation. So there are chances that people who are taking more of this Excel and PPT, they're getting more job opportunities are available, and also salary hikes are um, on an average. What this website actually mentioned is 20%. It might be more than that as well because they have mentioned it as average 20%. So it might be more than that as well. Whether you want to advance your career or simply increase your skills and productivity in the world's preeminent business technologies, Microsoft Office Specialist certifications validate the expertise you need to succeed. So it's the same thing that job opportunities are more for this MOS, because I'll tell you one simple thing, even though I've prepared so many slides, in a very simple way, I'll tell you, MOS is nothing but it is just approved document which is available in the server as well, which proves that you have the skill sets. So it is very simple. So there are so many slides which I can actually show you, but in a simple way, this is what it is. All right. So this is what I have. As I mentioned, it's a very simple presentation. I'll be sharing this presentation with you guys so you can go through that in detail. But let me just show you about how this certificate and the badges actually look.